I'm Derek Tremaine. I'm the research administrator here at the Indian River Field Lab. We're located in Melbourne, Florida, along Florida's east coast. Some of the programs that we work in here at the Indian River Field Lab include the Fisheries Independent Monitoring Program, also the Fisheries Dependent Monitoring Program. I'm part of the Fisheries Independent Monitoring Program, which is a long-term survey of fish populations throughout the state in estuaries and offshore waters. We also have a portion of our program that extends up into the tidal creeks and rivers to look at some of the fishery species that are using those habitats as well. The area we cover out of the Indian River Lab is an extensive area of Florida's east coast. We start in Ponce Inlet up in Volusia County and extends all the way down to Jupiter at the mouth of the Loxahatchee River. We actually go a little bit further with a FIM program. We go down to Lake Worth. We have a program sampling down in Lake Worth Lagoon. We get a lot of assistance from the Tequesta Field Lab. The fish biology program there helps us with a lot of our monitoring in the southern part of the lagoon as well. Here in the Indian River, we primarily use two types of sampling gears. One is the small mesh seine. It's a smaller seine. It covers about the size of half a tennis court or so, and it's used to collect primarily the small species or the juveniles of some of these larger fishery species that we're interested in. And we're using that to collect individuals as they recruit into the system, gives us an idea of what the abundance and the diversity is in those smaller species. We also use a large seine haul. It's 183 meters. It covers an area just over an acre of shoreline, and that's more effective at catching some of these larger fishery species and more mobile species that are able to escape that smaller gear. Once we collect these fish on the boat, we bring some of those back to the lab for analysis of different tissues, for stock assessment, for age and growth, for genetics, for reproductive studies. Those are all done back at the lab. We also are in charge of the state's marine fish mercury monitoring program. We've got an automated mercury analyzer. We've been doing that here in the lab since 2006. It has enabled us to increase the number of samples that we analyze in a year. It allows us to expand the number of species, and we can start to look at now some of the ecological aspects of mercury contamination in species. For the last 34 years that I've been here, we've seen some big changes in the Indian River Lagoon system in a number of ways, in the habitats, in the fish species, in the biology, in the water quality. Certainly a huge issue nowadays. But things are improving, things are changing, and the fact that we're here is the point of our study being long-term, captures all those changes over time, and hopefully is valuable down the road. None of the work that we do here happens without these excellent crew members and putting in their time and their effort. It's hard work, it's long days. To a person, they've done an amazing job over the years, and that's what we're all about.